Bonjour. French women have always been known for their effortless chic and understated elegance, and their approach to lipstick is no exception. Indeed, lipstick is one of the signature of French women beauty. They always look natural, perfect, effortless, and a lot of people want to know how to recreate the la bouche mordue effect. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 lipstick tricks every single French woman know and swear by. After watching this video, you will be able to get this lipstick signature and the French effortless beauty. And the first lipstick tricks every French woman swear by is to prep your lips. If you want to get something perfect, effortless and natural, you have to moisturize and exfoliate your lips. So gently exfoliate. French women favor gentle, natural methods over harsh and abrasive products. Use a homemade scrub, for example. You can mix sugar with a touch of honey or olive oil. Alternatively, you can also use a soft product to gently buff away the dry and flaky skin. Second, you should absolutely nourish your lips. Apply an hydrating lip balm with natural ingredients like shea butter, beeswax, or even almond oil 5-10 minutes before applying your lipstick. And something I love to do is to use a lip mask overnight. French women believe in beauty sleep, so apply a lip sleeping mask before going to bed, and you can wake up with soft, hydrated lips. The next lipstick tricks every French woman swear by is to choose the right lipstick shades. French women often have a go-to lipstick shade that complements their complexion and wardrobe. They always have what we call a signature lipstick, a classic red, soft nude, or a bold berry, something that they love to wear every day. And I do have some tricks and tips to find the perfect lipstick shade for you. The key is to know your skin undertone, cool, warm, or neutral, and to choose the lipstick shade according to your natural complexion. And for cool undertone, shades with blue or pink bases like classic reds or soft mauves are just perfect. For warm undertones, color with golden or orange hues like coral, peach, or brick red are just perfect. And for neutral undertones, a wide range of shades goes like bold, nude, classic reds. And my little tip is always to go for classic, timeless shade. You can go for a classic red, although French women do not wear classic red for every day. They usually go for something that is more nude. So for example, you can go for soft nudes and rose tones for natural polish look, a deep berries or warm hues also for a chic moody vibe. Like for example this one I am wearing from Typology. If you don't know Typology, Typology is a French skincare brand known for its minimalist approach, high quality, effective products that focus on simple, clean ingredients. I love this brand and I love their products because they are formulated and manufactured first in France and also made with over 80% of natural ingredients. And in this makeup, I am using the new lip balm by Typology. I love this product. I love the color. It looks super natural, super charming. I love this product because it is more than a simple lipstick. It is a lip balm with skincare benefits. It contains an active ingredients of ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and camellia oil. I love it because it is also made for very dry lips. The texture is smooth, soft, almost buttery, and super comfortable also on the lips. It delivers hydration and suppleness to the lips with a natural tint of color. I love the finish also of this lip balm. I'm not a fan of a super glossy finish, and it's not really a French thing. I do prefer satin lip balm like this one with a smooth, oily finish. This is perfect, very natural, and very feminine. The lip balm is available in 4 different shades, and it's also refillable, meaning that if you want to change the color, you just have to switch or swap out the lipstick cap and you just have a new lipstick. All the lipstick and the product I am using in this video are from Typology, and if you were wondering which exact shade I choose, just check below the video. I put all the references below the video. And the next lipstick trick every French woman swear by is to go for the bouche mordue or the just kissed effect. And French women do have a special, unique technique to apply lipstick called La Bouche Mordue or the Just Kissed effect. They don't aim for the perfect glossy finish. Instead, they go for something that is slightly undone and also much more natural. And this technique has gone viral on social media. Everybody wants to know how to get what we call La Bouche Mordue. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, again with a lip balm from Typology. First, dab the lipstick onto the center of your lips using your ring finger. Second, blend the color outward, fading it as you move toward the edges of your lips. This creates a soft gradient effect. Last, lightly smudge the edges of your lips with a clean finger or a small makeup brushes to enhance the diffuse, undone look. The next lipstick trick French women swear by is to blot for staying power. French women don't use powder or foundation, but they blot lipstick with a tissue for an effortless, chic and natural result. First, take a thin, single-ply tissue. Second, blot the excess, gently press the tissue between your lips. This removes excess product and leaving behind a soft stain, preventing also smudging or heavy buildup. This trick also gives a natural look. It helps the lipstick to last longer and reduces also the chances of transfer. This is also a trick I love to use with gloss. Let's say that I don't like the glossy finish that looks a little artificial and I want to get something slightly undone and more natural. I love to blot the gloss to remove the excess of shine. And the next lipstick trick French women swear by is to go for no overlining. French women rarely overline the lips. Instead, they embrace their natural lip shade and focus on applying lipstick with precision. If you do use liner, choose a shade that matches your lipstick perfectly. Avoid sharp, defined edges that look super artificial, not natural, and even not elegant. And the next lipstick trick every French woman swear by is to embrace matte or satin finishes. The glossy finish, something that looks super shiny, is not a French thing. Again, French women tend to avoid something that looks too artificial, too glossy, too shiny. Instead, French women favor satin or matte finishes for the lived-in look rather than something that looks freshly applied. Go for matte finishes that can be dabbed on or softened with fingers for a more natural, diffuse effect. And something I do recommend if you have dry lips like me, satin finishes. I do prefer satin finishes because it provides the right amount of glow, something between glossy and matte, but at the same time, it looks super understated and very natural. And the next best lipstick trick every French woman swear by is to layer your lipstick. Something I love to do to make lipstick look natural, I love to layer several sheer or several shades on top of each other. It's also a great way to add depth and dimension to your lips, creating a more sophisticated and natural yet playful effect. And I do know that a lot of French women layer the lipstick. For the perfect layering lipstick effect, choose a base color that is soft, neutral, and then choose a deeper color, something that is slightly darker or more vibrant. Choose color that contrasts well with your base color, but in the same color family. In this example, I am using the lip balm by Typology, but two different colors that match perfectly together. My base color is this beautiful woodsy rose, beautiful nude, very understated, and my second color is slightly darker. This is a beautiful deep plum. Again, check below the video for the references and the exact shade I am using. First, apply the base color. Start by applying your neutral or soft lipstick. Second, take the deeper or vibrant lipstick and apply it over it to the center of your lips, focusing on the bottom center and the cupid bow at the top. And the next best French lipstick every French woman swear by is to use multi-purpose lipstick, lip or cheek. A French lipstick trick to create something that looks cohesive and natural at the same time is to use your lipstick as a blush. It is super French. French women love to use multi-purpose beauty products, And at the same time, using your lipstick as a cheek blush, create something that looks super dewy, super fresh, super natural. This is something I just love to do. My little tips: select a creamy or satin finish lipstick that can blend easily onto your skin. Avoid something that looks matte, as they can be harder to blend and may also look super patchy with your makeup. Second, pick a soft, natural shade like soft pinks, peach or rose, colors that will work well together with your skin tone and look fresh on the cheeks. Next, swipe the lipstick directly onto your cheekbones, focusing on the apples of your cheeks and working your way up toward your temples. You can also apply a little to the bridge of your nose for a natural sun-kissed look. And the next best lipstick trick every French woman swears by is to match your lipstick to your outfit. Something that is very French, and I saw my grandma doing it all over her life, is to use lipstick as an outfit accessory. Yes, lipstick is not just makeup for French women, it is also a way to elevate and to enhance your style. And I love this little trick for every day. When wearing a neutral or monochromatic outfit, think about beige, black, white, navy. French women often choose a classic red or a berry lipstick to add a pop of color and create also a focal point. Soft nudes, pinks or rose tones, they go with every single outfit and different season. They can also work beautifully to maintain a chic, balanced look without looking overwhelming. When attending an event or something more formal, French women choose bold red, deep wines to add sophistication and glamour. And the last best French lipstick trick every French woman swears by is to keep the rest of your makeup minimal. French women often wear lipstick as their primary statement piece, keeping the rest of the makeup minimal. Bare skin, a light base, or just concealer where needed. Natural brows, brushed or groomed but not overly defined. Subtle eyes, mascara, and maybe a touch of eyeliner, but not too heavy or not heavy eyeshadow. And usually the golden rule of French women when it comes to makeup is to choose between eyeshadow, so focusing on your eyes, or focusing on your lips. But the two together might look a little bit too much. Again, it's all about minimalist choices. So if you want to focus on your lips, just keep the rest of your makeup very minimal and very natural. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video about the 10 lipstick trick every French woman swears by. I hope this video will be helpful for you to find the perfect lipstick and also to wear lipstick the French way. Let me know what you think about this video. Don't forget again to check below the video for all the references I am using. A lot of you keep asking me about the lipstick reference, what type of lipstick I am wearing, which exact shade also I am wearing. So all the references are below the video. I also put all the references or all my favorite lipstick in LTK, so check below the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget also to follow me on my other social media, and I see you very soon for another video. Bye.